Hello friends, my name is Abhinav Raj Kondal. I'm founder of Amelsius. We are a digital marketing agency powering profitability of our clients worldwide since 2010. Friends, first of all, thanks to all of you for watching and appreciating our videos. And let's begin today's topic, which is 5 solid sales strategies. So let's begin with the number one sales strategy, and that is lead generation. It may be the case whether you are generating your own leads, or maybe there is a separate marketing department which is generating leads for you. So make sure you are giving regular feedback to your marketing department or to yourself related to the lead generation, whether the leads are relevant or not. And the second thing is, the lead generation process should be continuous. That means you should be generating leads on regular basis. You should be receiving the leads time to time so that you can work on their conversion. And the third point is, avoid any kind of leads leakage, because you are investing a lot of time, money, energy on lead generation. So make sure there should be almost no leads leakage. You should maintain a database where you need to analyze and where you need to check that none of the leads get wasted. And the second amazing sales strategy is listen and connect. Make sure when you are in a meeting or you are in a call, you listen more. You listen to all the problems the client is facing, or what is the requirement the client is looking after, and then you connect on that pain point. You build a relation with him and win his trust. That's the main strategy. We are not going here to sell. We are here to build a relationship and win the trust. Be honest, be transparent, listen with full focus. That's the main thing. Your attention should be undivided towards your customer. And the third strategy is effective sales closing. There are a lot of techniques for effective sales closing, and we'll be making a separate video for that as well. But make sure you come up with various creative ideas so that you can close the sale as soon as possible. But the main point is, the sale should be useful to the client. The sale should not be made just for the sake of closing the sale. It should be made to add value to your customer. So make sure you use creative ideas, which we'll be covering in the separate video, for effective sale closing techniques. And the fourth strategy is lead generation. Lead nurturing. We are generating leads, but we need to nurture also, because we are not converting 100% of the leads. So whatever the leads are left, we need to nurture them. We will be nurturing them through value addition. We will be providing continuously value addition to them through newsletters, through maybe WhatsApp post. And you are not selling in that. Make sure you are not selling, you are providing value addition in that, so the client doesn't get annoyed by any means, because we have to respect the privacy of the client as well. And the fifth strategy is referrals. Always look for referrals, because once you have entered into an agreement, you have converted the sale, then you can ask for the referrals. Or maybe when you enter a specific circle of a person, so every person has a lot of contacts, so maybe then you'll get more work or more business through those referrals. So friends, start implementing these 5 strategies from this very moment. Let's not waste any time, because time is very precious. So thanks a lot. Thanks once again for watching the video, and please do connect it. Please be connected. So it will be really useful for all of us. Thanks a lot.